morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are live on YouTube. I'm going to be live on YouTube for a few minutes before hopping over to TikTok. So I'll wait for some of you to hop in to say good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I'm wondering, all right, no chat is showing up. I wouldn't be surprised if some of you are already in here. So I'm going to hop on over to YouTube and see. Where am I? Where are we right now? Okay, Justin S. gained that weight. What's up, one of a kind? Hello, hello. What's up, Mark Jason? Forrest Weber? Haha, BB, not first. Not first. Oh, that's funny. Let me look at something here. Just want to see. All right, I see the chat there. Okay. Sounds good. Justin says, sorry. Read between the lines. Ended up here. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. Bitcoin, all-time high. Can't complain. Hello, Connor. How's it going? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. So no complaints here. I can tell you that. Just let's plow forward. Every day is not going to be like today. I need to remind myself. We need to remind ourselves of that. That we had a wonderful day. Awesome green candle. 2 days ago, Bitcoin was at $61,800, and now it's at 66.4. Although it's one of those things where if, what am I thinking? If Bitcoin goes to $200,000 between now, 60 days, all right, let me see, $200,000, 60 days, that's over $2,000 a day in gains. So, man, I thought there were going to be more people in this YouTube live stream right now. I'm kind of surprised that not everyone, that the gang's not here. So I just need to double check again, make sure that everything's fine. All green. Yeah, Litecoin's looking good. Yep. I'm going to stick in here. All right, well, I'm going to go live on TikTok. Just wanted to hang with the YouTube gang. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. You're all I need. All right, except now I'm going live on TikTok. So you guys know the drill. I will prioritize the YouTube chat. Man, let me fix this. I need to fix this real quick. Oh, gosh. Hello, Shifty7. All right. Give me a second to get set up. Do I know Sun? I don't know Sun. Is that a cryptocurrency? Don't know Sun. Hello, Gul Banguna. Go 01 Banguna, my bad. What are the odds Litecoin hits 1,500? I think over 50%. So let's see. Hello, Salem File. Tech Stock Afternoon. Still calling all-time high to be on 21st December. I might need to revise that at some point. But as of right now, I'm sticking with that. So where was I? Was that it? No. 1 second. I'll just do this. Hey, what's up, Trump Rule 67? Could we have a correction? We're going to have lots of corrections. Looks like a time to buy to me. Yeah. So, we topped out at 67,000. Now we're at 66.4. Nothing to stress about at all, but I'd buy. Thoughts on ACH and XY? I don't know enough about ACH. XYO, I'm bullish on it, 20 cents or so. How high will SHIB go? I think it's going to go 3x or something. What's up, Taya? Bitcoin thoughts. I think we're going to double from the all-time high, from that previous all-time high in the next 30 to 40 days. So is SHIB dead? No, SHIB's not dead. Yes, Tayyab, I just said hi on TikTok. What about IOTA? IOTA is going to be fine. IOTA tends to pump ridiculously on certain days. So Bitcoin is going to pull back. There's just going to be several pullbacks along the way. Maybe it'll pull back today. Maybe it'll pull back at another time. But I think we're going to $200,000. And yeah, are we going to go under $60,000? I don't think we're going under $60,000 until next year or so. Best coin to invest, $500. I'd say Litecoin or Ethereum. Let's see. Good time to buy Sun. Yeah, I don't know. H-bar and Litecoin are parabolic. What's H-bar at? H-bar. I'll check that out later. But I see Litecoin's doing well. So VXV, I still think $200. VRA and a bull run much higher. I just don't have a price. Sorry. So SHIB 1 cent in a couple years. I don't think so. It's just there's too much in circulation. Should I sell my Bitcoin at $200,000? You do what you're gonna do. You know, I think that you'll be safe. You'll be able to buy it at a lower price at some point. So, is SHIB a good long-term coin to buy? No, not long-term. Short-term, sure, but not long-term. Yeah, okay. Switching over. Let's see. Not looking forward to watching alts like a hawk, so I can dump. Yeah. Hey guys. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Del Kessie? Doge over $1. I think Doge is going to go over $1. Yeah, I've heard of Dent. I don't know anything about price action though. I said on my live on my YouTube video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. What's up, CVO? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I'm live on YouTube right now. VChain at 50 cents. But I said on my channel, this is a new kind of stress. Okay, so this is a new kind of difficult. Like it's not like it's all rainbows and butterflies. It's like now you have to be nervous. You have to be concerned. There's two big fears, two big ways you could err. One is to get too afraid when all of a sudden we're pumping like crazy and then you see a 20% correction or 30% correction. And the other is to get too greedy when we pump and not take your profits. So good price to entry for Doge now for short term. Yeah, I think so. Alexander, thank you. Bagir, how to buy VXV? You can buy it on Coin Metro or on MetaMask. Could people still put money in the market and buy things, or not a good idea? I think people can still put money for short-term gains, not for long-term gains, for short-term gains. All right, Litecoin 206. Yes, good. Hello, Gabriel. Things are great. Great. Solana's pumping today as well. I could see it hitting $600 this cycle. Algorand, $7. You're taking profits now or on Bit, or should we wait? I'm not taking profits. And even if I was going to sell my Bitcoin at the end, I would say just wait a little bit. So hello, Legend of Carl. Yes, beautiful day. Riot. I'm a little nervous about Riot blockchain. I'm seeing, thank you, Don B. Yeah, I'm fatter than I've ever been. I'm not seeing it correlate with Bitcoin's price well enough. It'll go up as Bitcoin goes up, but it's kind of, depressing. So AGA reverse, I can't look into it, no. When does alt season start? I think alts will pump in November, but full-blown alt season will come in January or so. Yes, beautiful day. How many zero need SHIB to have to buy in a bear? What? I'm not sure what you're saying, Fan Nissan. What's up, Noxy? Been a while. Good to see you. Shiba's trash, but it'll go up like everything else. Super Farm prediction. I don't know what Super Farm is. Do you think this new Bitcoin all-time high lengthens or shortens the current cycle? I think we're going to peak in December. That's all I've been saying for the last couple months, and I'm sticking with that. So what for $1,000 investment? I'd say Litecoin. Should I pile in a Litecoin? Yes. What coins? Yeah, all right. What do you mean by short-term gains? Time frame? I'm saying like a couple months. And I think things are going to peak in January. Alts are going to peak in January. Bitcoin's going to peak in December, in my opinion. So will Bitcoin do a pullback soon, a 21-day EMA? I think we're just going to launch, and then and then after that, we're going to crash. So I think we're going to launch. Is November still short-term? Yeah, short-term meaning like next few months. I think we're going to launch to the moon, $200,000 for Bitcoin in December, insane gains for altcoins. And then we're going to crash and we'll get below those moving averages again, and those will turn into resistance. So thank you, Susie. Matic price prediction, $8. Best alts right now, or stick to ETH first. Stick to ETH first, yeah. 5K investment advice, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Solana, Chainlink, Polkadot, Binance, Cardano, Cake, XRP. But man, I've been saying Litecoin. Litecoin's going to pump in comparison to Bitcoin. Waiting for XRP all-time high. Yeah, it's going to be, it's been rough for XRP. So thoughts on Quant. Quant does what Quant does. It's insane. Where's Quant right now? I'm curious about that. Is it over 300? No, 295. Quant's going to pump, but I don't have any price predictions. Do you suggest piling into alt since Litecoin broke its all-time high? It has not broken its all-time high. It got up to $400 early this year. You're welcome, Gabriel. Can Shiba reach 0.04 in 2026? I don't think so. No. Should I sell my link for Litecoin? Some, if you don't own any Litecoin, yeah. Yes, Bitcoin has broken through its all-time high. Litecoin future investment, you reckon, to keep investing? Litecoin is a short-term play for me. I'm selling all of my Litecoin at the end. So crash to where? Any guesses? I think it's going to be rough. Yeah, after Bitcoin peaks later this year, I think it's going to drop about 80% or so, 85%. But I think it's going to go down to 200-week simple moving average and maybe wick below it, but then hold on to it like it always does. What do you think about Cardano? I'm thinking about selling mine and putting into other coins. And also, do you have low cap coins? I don't have any low cap coins. But, you know, Cardano, I think, is going to go to $8. I do think that other cryptos will outperform it. Just, you know, it's like, right now, honestly, I hate to say it like this, but it's like throw a dart at a dartboard and you'll win. Like put all the cryptos on a dartboard and throw a dart at it and you'll do well. So as long as you sell at the end, what's my target for Bitcoin birthday? Birthday? I don't know what you mean. Litecoin, what about Trias? Yeah, I don't know enough. I know a lot of people are saying to get into it. So when am I exiting Litecoin? It's probably, I think it's going to peak in January. Yeah, when will it hit all-time high? January. Predictions for Uniswap, maybe 100 or so. Is it too late for Trias? Let me check out Trias. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know anything about it, but I'll look at the charts and make a decision about it as far as is it too late. It's up 20%. It may not be too late, but that's not something that I would be excited about getting into. Well, all right. You know, last year in May, it peaked much higher than where it is now. I think it'll cross its all-time high at least. So Shiba will hit 0.0. Isn't it more than that? 0.000004. I think it's more than that right now. What are you talking about? Yeah, what's the end for Litecoin? Yeah, Cartesi's up 40%. I mean, so microcaps, from what I understand, microcaps are pumping right now. So cool. When do you think Ethereum will start pumping? Middle of November or so. Ethereum Classic to 178 again. I think so. Yeah. Yeah. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat, but if you hop on over to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will be able to answer every question there, or almost every question there. So do you think Coin Metro is okay to use? I don't use it, so I can't give my opinion on that. From what I've heard, it's fine. You know, there's people who I trust who are on there. How does Bitcoin affect altcoins? When Bitcoin pumps, altcoins will pump. If Bitcoin's in a bear market, altcoins will bleed to death. Price predictions for Theta, $50. Yeah, I can't read any of the comment. I can't. It's hard for me to read the comments. Bitcoin Cash will move up. I think Bitcoin Cash is doing well today from what I see here. Is this Bitcoin Cash? Oh my goodness, give me Bitcoin Cash. You're not going to let me see the Bitcoin Cash chart. Oh my goodness. All right. Bitcoin Cash. I don't know if Bitcoin Cash is going to go back to its 2018 high. So that's a concern. Here we go. BCH. Do you think ETH will hit 100K one day? Yes, I do. LSS, stay away from LSS. Yeah, I don't know about Sun. Sorry. Yeah, Theta prediction, $50. All right, Bitcoin Cash is at 645. Yeah, I don't think that's going to its all-time high, but it'll go higher with the rest of the market. So, a lot of green. KM Machete. Yeah, Saitama Inu. I don't know what Saitama Inu is. Let's see. Thoughts on FTM. Phantom. It's pumping. Well, is it? No, FTM's down today, but FTM's going to be fine. It still has a lot more upward momentum. I just don't know enough fundamentally. Stay away from LSS. Yeah, lossless, dude. Why is that a hot take? When my number one rule is don't chase a green candle. Okay, there will be better short-term plays. We are entering a season when fundamentals don't quite matter as much. It's weird for me to say that, but fundamentals on a cryptocurrency don't quite matter as much. So closing deal week in November, do you think it's too late to invest 35K to catch this run up? The first week in November, I think that'll be fine. Only for short-term trades though. Sushi Swap, I like Sushi Swap. I don't have any price predictions. When will XRP peak? I think in January or so. XYO to 20 cents or so in January. So prediction on Litecoin, $1,500. Thoughts on Syntropy Noya? I don't know anything about Syntropy Noya. Hi, Alex. Oh, man. DAG. I don't have a prediction on DAG. Oh, man. Shiba Inu, 100% gains coming. I think it'll 3x. A good coin to stack under $5. Cam Machete, look at market cap. Don't look at price. Market cap, like look under top 100 if you're trying to get awesome gains, you know, so, but be careful. Bitcoin is enough of a risk for me. I have 30 different cryptos, but ADA in 2030, I don't know, $20, $30, maybe higher, maybe 100. I mean, market cap is huge. Its market cap is huge though. What will Litecoin and Ethereum be at in a few months? 1,500 and 15,000. Sushi, no prediction. When do you think the market will crash? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December. Alts will peak in January. I don't think ETH is going to hit a new all-time high before the end of October, but who knows? I mean, they're $200 away from their all-time high. So where can I buy XRP? You can buy it on Uphold. DAG prediction, I don't have one. Polkadot in a few months, I think $200 or so. Did I say amp to $1? I have stopped saying amp to $1 just because so many people are like, bro, amp to $1. So I'm saying 50 cents now. Hey, what's up, Bob? Could you give some examples of mid-cap versus low-cap coins? Mid-cap would probably be like top 50 to 100. Low-caps would be under $1 billion in market cap. Why Litecoin? Watch my video, my pinned video on TikTok about Litecoin. Yeah, technically fundamental. Thank you. Don't forget to take a minute to like the video. Double tap the screen on TikTok, like the video on YouTube. Why stay away from LSS? Yeah, I answered that. Thank God I didn't listen to Pablo. I know a lot of people did. Sorry for you. DAG, I don't have a DAG prediction. Sorry. H-bar prediction for peak $2, not 2,000. My bad. $2. Price target on Litecoin, $1,500. XTZ, I don't know. I don't have a price prediction for them. What's your prediction on the market for the next 48 hours? I think that we're going to flirt with 70,000. We'll see. Can AMP pump? Yes, AMP will pump. You just got to be patient. Alts are going to moon, but you got to be patient. So Ripple is a good time to buy. $1.14, I think it's fine. Yeah. So LSS, number one rule, don't chase a green candle. And I've talked to people who, oh man, I'm so far behind. I've talked to people who got in on LSS, you know, CVO Crypto being a big example of this, and he's exiting LSS. He rode his profits. He took his profits higher, and now he's about to exit. Floor on ETH and bear market. Sorry, I'm not even going to be able to keep up with the comments on YouTube. I mean, forget about TikTok. But floor of ETH and bear market, lower than where it is today. I really think so. I'm a little nervous about ETH 2.0. It might never launch. Or they might have to delay it for a long time. So, but yeah, I don't know. Should I wait for $2 ADA to buy? I don't think ADA is going under $2. When should we sell Litecoin? Be very aggressive in taking profits on Litecoin. I'm selling all of it. I think it's going to peak in January. So quant prediction by December. I don't do quant predictions, but much higher. Please upload this live. Yeah, this live stream will be available on YouTube afterwards. So it's not time to take profits on LSS. Still has a lot of room to go if you bought under 90 cents. I mean, fine. Yeah, it'll go higher eventually. I just think it's time for it to consolidate. Have you set any stop losses? I will not set stop losses. No, I'm just going to exit when I feel it's right to exit. ADA, $8, Shiba 3X, VXV $100. When's the next good time to buy Bitcoin? Is it worth getting into it now? I think in general, pullbacks for the remainder of this month are going to be small, like 3 to 5%. So I think now is a fine time to get in, even now. So I've held LSS from 30 cents. Do you think it'd be wise to sell some? I think you should take some profits. Yeah. Is there an expected pullback? All right, here's some math for you. I think Bitcoin's going to $200,000 this year. There will be times when it goes much faster and times when it goes slower. But between now and then, let's say it peaks in 60 days from now, that's over $2,000 a day of gains in Bitcoin. So, I mean, I think the bigger risk is waiting for a dip than trying to get back in or trying to time the perfect time. Early or late January for Litecoin and alts. It depends on when Bitcoin peaks. Ethereum in 2018 peaked 27 days after after Bitcoin did. And then in May, it peaked 27 days again. In May of this year, it peaked 27 days after Bitcoin did. So if Bitcoin were to peak on December 1st, I would expect a peak at the end of December. But I think Bitcoin's going to peak around December 21st. So Ethereum will peak in the middle of the month. And I think a lot of other cryptos will peak before then. Pelican 2, you're just wrong. I know, impossible. Just wait. 3 weeks ago, you would have told me that Bitcoin being at 66,000 was impossible. And look at it now. 3 weeks ago, none of you would have thought that Bitcoin was where it's at right now. And here I was calling when Bitcoin was at $39,600. I was calling for a $60,000 Bitcoin. 100K by November. I agree. What do you think of Dogelon? I don't pay attention to meme coins. Bitcoin price end of decade in the millions, but I'm not sure. When should I sell my 18 Solana? Sometime in January, possibly, but I can always adjust to that. Will it pull back? There will be pullbacks, but I don't think now is the time for major pullbacks. I think in November, there will be pullbacks, okay? But and some of you are going to be tempted to think that that's the end. Yeah, thank you. I was calling for 60K. So, I mean, even this is higher than where I thought it was going to be. So I think in November, there's going to be pullbacks that will be will convince you that we've peaked and it's not going to be the peak. So thoughts on EWT and MTV? Don't know enough. Sorry. You believed me. Gabriel believed me. Thank you. Chainlink prediction $100. I think Litecoin will hit $1,500. Yes. Solana prediction and time to buy. I mean, Solana's pumping today. I think there's a lot more room to pump. I think it's going to $600. Thank you, NM. Thoughts on IOTEX? I don't know enough. I'm sorry. AMP January thoughts, please. 50 cents. Does Bitcoin crash at the start of alt season or does it stay stagnant? It's going to probably I think if it goes to $200,000 that it's going to be quick, within hours, and then within hours it's going to have a 30% dip. And then it might bounce back a little bit and it'll be stagnant. And then it'll just all out crash. And that's going to be the end. Chainlink $100, AMP 50 cents. Yeah. So no stop losses. Shan, I just think, all right, so what if you set a 20% stop loss and then Bitcoin got up to $100,000 and then went down to $75,000 and you got priced out, I could see that happening. And then Bitcoin goes up to $200,000. That's not a game that I want to play. So Maker, I love Maker. I still think 5 figures for Maker. There's only 1 million in existence. It could pump like crazy. I've been saying $30,000. I might need to revise that. That seems a little too aggressive for me. Vent, I don't know anything about Vent. I've been making money because of me. Thank you. Just want another little dip. Nope, too late. Sorry. Nope. VeChain by December, maybe 30 cents, but I think it's going to 50 cents in January. Cake prediction, $100. Where's Cake today? $20.23. Litecoin peak time January. Should we take profits? When do you think Bitcoin will hit $200,000? The end of December. Bitcoin is 700K? No. Is a Bitcoin January peak realistic? Sure. Yeah, it could peak in January. What makes you think AMP will hit 50 cents to $1? Everything, all altcoins like that will pump like crazy. So why do you think $1,500? Won't that mean its market cap is like 100 to 200 billion? Market cap's going to be crazy. I think the market cap right now for all of crypto is 2.6 trillion. I think it's going to peak at what is it? At 10 trillion. So that means there's a lot more room for cryptos to go higher, but then it's going to dump really hard. So Polkadot, $200. What's your most bullish Litecoin prediction? 3,000, 5,000. Honestly, there's a world that exists where I could see Litecoin hitting both of those prices, but I'm sticking with $1,500. Avalanche, $300, $200, $300, something like that. Price prediction for VeChain, 15 cents. Thoughts on Bitcoin Cash? It's trash in general, but it will pump like everything else. Pirate Chain is private. Yep, that's a good one. XRP, $8 to $10. DAG, don't know enough. AMP, 50 cents. Aleph, I don't know anything about Aleph. That's a Hebrew letter, isn't it? Thank you for insisting on holding. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. You're welcome. FTM, I don't have any FTM predictions. I don't know enough about Phantom other than like I like HBAR more. It's very similar to Phantom. Please don't spam. Dot prediction $200. How's it going? Looks like I'm late today because YouTube didn't notify me. That's a bummer. Sorry. Yeah, and all of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Hop on over to World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I'm much more able to answer questions there. So, all right. Top 5 cryptos other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Fundamentally, Solana, Quant, HBAR, Binance, and what was the 5th one? Chainlink. Luna price $100, end of the bull run. Matic $8. Kyber, I don't know what Kyber is, or Velo. I don't know anything about Velo. What's a minimum you see Litecoin going to? $1,000. Thoughts on longer cycles? 100K by December pullback, followed by 300K by March next year. Aesthetic mans, I don't think that's happening. We're lining too much. We are lining up too much with 2017 and 2013. I used to think that, but I don't think that we are going to have an extended cycle anymore. Why aren't alts pumping? I mean, they're kind of pumping, but it's Bitcoin's time. So I haven't looked into Flare Network, sorry. Ethereum Classic to $500, I could see that, yeah. When does Algo start rolling? Look, any question about when are these cryptos going to start pumping? It's going to, like the altcoins will do well in November. So probably like middle of November. I think Doge is going to have a strong run up, maybe $1. I think so. What's up? The idea works. Hello. Alchemy Pay. Don't know enough. Which alt to throw money into? Litecoin. What's up? 911's bro. HBAR $2. Peak 5 weeks or January. I would say December, middle of December, late December. What's the lowest peak you reckon for Bitcoin? The lowest possible price I could see Bitcoin going to would probably be around $120,000. Let's say that we don't have a blow off top, but we have more of a rounded top. I could see it going to $120,000 and then hanging out there for several weeks before the bear market comes in. But I think we're going to have a blow off top. Crow price prediction 15 cents, Algo $7, Cardano $8. Why will alts hit highs in January after Bitcoin drops 30% from December high? Because people will take their profits from Bitcoin and put it into altcoins. So that's why. And I mean, if I were to sell my Bitcoin, I would do that. Robinhood listing Shiba Inu, I don't know anything about it. I mean, I've heard stuff about it, but who knows? Thoughts on Degathol? I don't know what Degathol is. Phantom, I don't have a price prediction for Phantom. Higher. RSR, don't know enough. When do we take profits for ETH? At what price? I mean, I can't see ETH going less than 5 figures. So, I mean, start taking profits. If you're going to take profits on ETH, take profits at 5 figures or so. But be careful, just don't be greedy. Maybe it doesn't go up to $10,000. I think it's going to $15,000, but we'll see. So altcoin gems, Solana, Quant. I'm going to be buying a ton of Solana and Quant at the end in the bear market. So are Bitcoin mining stocks worth investing at this time? I've bought several $1,000s worth of calls on Bitcoin mining stocks. I think it's good. Marathon is a good one. I bought some options on the new ETF that was launched. So too late to get all. I mean, for short-term gains, next couple months, now's a fine time to get in. For long-term gains, I would wait. Doge-Game Token. I don't know anything about Doge-Game Token. SafeMoon's trash. I mean, is SafeMoon dead? SafeMoon might be dead. I hope not. But SafeMoon might be dead. I own some Doge, yeah. You're welcome, Wolf Belgium. VXV, thoughts? $100 or so. When do you think the bear market will bottom out? It's different for every crypto. Bitcoin, I think it's going to take a year from its peak to bottom out. Altcoins will take, they'll bottom out sooner, but they're going to be dormant for quite a while. So ETF launch will cause Bitcoin to 160K. I could see that. Riot blockchain, Riot's not pumping as much as Bitcoin is. That makes me a little nervous. If I were to own some Riot blockchain calls or stocks, So any investing strategy is going all in on crypto a bit insane. Yeah, I think it is, especially now. A year ago, I would say, hey, go all in on crypto. But you're welcome, Roshan. This is my first bulletin. Watch your recent video. Thank you. What coins are keeping for the bear market? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. What will actually cause Litecoin to rocket? Look at the charts, man. Watch my TikTok. My pinned TikTok. Does the MVRVZ score indicator apply to crypto besides Bitcoin? It's just Bitcoin. Thoughts on LSS prediction? I don't have one. If you had to pick one short-term Litecoin or Chainlink, definitely Litecoin. What scares you about this bull run? Not much right now, but we'll see. So Hollow 15X, it's possible. It's possible, yeah. What year to bottom out? 2023 or so. Do you think alts will retrace the next few days? No, I don't. We did it, boss. We broke all-time high. Yes, Nicholas Baxter. Yes. All right, Cesar, I am nervous. Guys, you should be a little bit nervous. What steps would you take as a beginner right now? Download the Voyager app. Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. Just buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum and then do as much research as possible. Like YouTube is a great resource. It's the best resource. It's better than any book you could read because books get antiquated very quickly. Cartesi, don't know enough. Still good time to put more on ETH, Bitcoin, or Solana. Yes, for trading. I am officially today a trader. I am not a holder. I am looking to exit at least 65%. Thank you, Devante. At least 65% of my crypto at the end of this bull run. So I am now unfortunately a trader. I'm not comfortable with that, but I have to have a trader's mentality, and I would recommend something similar for you guys. But man, that stinks for me to have to admit that. My referral code again, ALE749. TikTok is crashing. I mean, I'm getting a ton of comments. I'm not sure, Ben, what you're seeing there. H-bar entry point in general, just now is a good time to enter for cryptos. Highest VeChain prediction, maybe $1. I mean, maybe even higher. Thank you, E. Davidson. What's up, man? So when is the end of the bull run? December for Bitcoin, January for altcoins, but it depends. Maybe I'm wrong. I will adjust over time. Follow me on TikTok if you're watching right now and you don't follow me. You've got to follow me. Because you need some kind of guidance if you're new to this, and I can help you out with that. ALE749. Small retracement in a few days and then huge run afterwards. Possibly. Yeah. I mean, stock to flow says $63,000 at the end. Thank you, Mike Robinson Music. Thank you so much, and thank you for that gift. Oh my goodness. So stock to flow says $63,000 for the end of October. And he's been right on point. He's been within $1,000 both the last 2 months. So we'll see. Is Matic a good buy now? Yeah, I think so. Small retrace. Yeah, I answered that. Where do you see a good to enter into Bitcoin? I had an order lower, but it didn't catch. And guys, this is going to be scandalous to you. Right now is not the time to put limit orders in. But if you're going to put limit orders in, thank you, Mom's Big Toe. If you're going to put limit orders in, put it for like a few $100s lower. But like the bigger risk right now is not getting in versus I don't know, getting in too high, if that makes sense. So, Crow 50 cents. Litecoin for the end of November, I don't know, a total guess, $500. Tetit, what's that? Any coins on Binance that can 20x? I don't have Binance, but sure, lots of them. So should I sell my Avalanche for Litecoin? Not necessarily, no. If you had a short-term pick, Chainlink or Polkadot. Any comparisons between Chainlink and anything else, my short-term picks would be the other thing. So what changed your mind about HODL? Nothing changed my mind about HODL. I have been very consistent in saying that I am planning on exiting 65% of my crypto at the end of this bull run. So it's now is the time to start thinking about my exits. And I would recommend, this is not financial advice, do your own research. But I would recommend something similar for all of you. Thank you so much, the Board Surfer, for that super chat. All-time highs here, time for liftoff. And again, for those of you on TikTok, it's so hard. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I was never planning on selling my Bitcoin. It is impossible for me to keep up with this TikTok chat. I'm even having a hard time keeping up with the YouTube chat, but your best chance is on YouTube. So Tezos, no prediction for Tezos. Ty can't view me on YouTube. Can those of you on TikTok let me know if you can see me? Some people are saying they can't see me. So I want to get that fixed. Probably if you can't see me, you should exit and then come back into the live stream. Do you reinvest? Absolutely, yeah. And where and how about lower taxes cash? And I didn't see that question. All right, TikTok's working fine. Thank you. Yeah, if you can't see me on TikTok, just exit and come back in. Tezos, don't have a prediction. XLM still $2 to $3. You're welcome, Geoff. Engine, I don't have a prediction for Engine. All right, yeah, I am not John Cena. Excellent. Will Shiba hit 10 cents? No, Shiba's not hitting 10 cents. That's too big of a market cap. Yeah, the chat's crazy. Are you really planning to trade now? In a sense, Smooth September, I am. But I mean, I've been planning on that. Not to be a trader, but to sell. And maybe, I'll sell some of my crypto if something peaks early and then hop back in other things. Jace B, do I have referral codes anywhere else? Click on any of my YouTube videos. In the description, I have referral codes there, or hop on over to worldwarbitcoin.info. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. Let's see, prediction on the graph. I don't have one, sorry. Still got 3K to put in. What should I put in for a 10X? Man, 10X, it's hard to predict 10Xs. Micro caps will probably 10X, but good luck with that. I would say Litecoin. Big bull run for the next few months and die down January, February, something like that, yeah. If you had a short-term check, Polkadot. Dot to go higher than 200 because of parachains. I just think Dot has a 4.5X in it. I mean, I think the entire crypto market cap is going to 4X from here. Would you invest in Japanese currency or US dollar? None. Fiat's trash. Fiat is more trash than SHIB. SHIB to 120.65, still not happening. Well, no. Yeah, maybe that'll happen because the dollar won't exist. Will VET hit $1? It could. Can I look into Firo? I can't right now. I'm sorry, man. I'm all in, and I've got enough cut out for me as it is right now. What's up, Smiles? Follow me. Those of you watching my live stream on TikTok, you've got to follow me, man. And I'm not saying that to boast. I'm just saying I will be helpful for you. So Theta, $40. I think 50, but yeah, 40. Price prediction for Luna, $100. Thank you, Trump rules. How long are you waiting till you start accumulating in the bear market? At least a year. It depends on the crypto. Want to invest $55 right now? Best bet. $55. Just go for a micro cap. Go for the smallest cap coin on Coinbase. $55. That's funny. FTM short term higher. I mean, all right. Alts, I still think in general will kind of be flat until mid-November, but then they'll pump. So Doge to $1. I still think Doge to $1. Dot or Matic. I would say probably Matic. So Bitcoin's price after pump. I don't know what you mean after pump, Manuel, but I think it's peaking at $200,000 and might go down to $50,000 in the bear market. So XYO 20 cents. What's up, Jorans? What are you 80% sure that will 5X or double or triple? I think most cryptos will at least double or triple. 5X, I would say lots and lots of cryptos will 5X. I just, get outside of the top 20 and a large majority of those will 5X. Dude, you have done so busy at TikTok. Thank you, Smiles. Any NFTs to mint? I'm not an NFT guy for now, but in the bear market, I'm going to load up a little bit on NFTs. Any 500x 8 years projects? Yeah, there's probably a decent amount. H-bar is on my mind. Well, 500x, no, not H-bar. I mean, you've got to see what the future is. Maybe NAMI, that might be one. Maybe VRA. I mean, they're under $1 billion in market cap right now. It's got to be something under $1 billion that would make me more confident that would 500x. Dot to $200, that's 40 USD. Yeah, Solana price prediction 60. VRA, I just think is going to pump a ton. When will Maker peak? Yeah, Maker peak time and price. I mean, $20,000-$30,000. Maker, I just in January. My answer is in January. So Tron. I don't like Justin Sun. I just don't like Justin Sun. Okay, but Tron will rise with the rest of the market. Have you heard of Trios? I have. I just don't know enough about it. So, oh man, thank you, Manuel, for Voyager. The referral code for Voyager, ALE749, $25 of free Bitcoin. Skip the waiting list. Thoughts about EOS? I don't think EOS is going to hit its 2018 peak. I think EOS is about to die. Will die in the bear market. I think EOS is going to die in the bear market. So. SHIB to 0.008, Solana 300 end of year. SHIB to not to 0.008. No, that's like close to a $1 trillion market cap. No, XYO 20 cents. VRA gonna pump. I don't have a price one. Thoughts on Helium? Helium miners are awesome. I can't wait to grab some. But I don't have a price prediction for Helium. So lossless price end of year higher. I don't know. Do you think there will be a pullback from this all-time high? The pullbacks will be small. I remember, this reminds me so much of a year ago. Every day a year ago, I woke up and I was like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin keeps pumping and it won't stop. And that's what's going to happen, I think. I think Bitcoin's price is going to double from its previous all-time high in, oh my goodness, what am I saying? I think it's going to double from its previous all-time high within the next 30 to 40 days. So ETH bear, that's $2,000 a day. ETH bear market price, maybe $3,000 or so. Thoughts on AMP to 50 cents. Matic prediction, $8. XYO 20 cents. Is Voyager in Canada? I don't know. All right. So Monster, you say 100K. I say 200K. Price prediction on VRA higher. I also believe EOS is kind of dead. Yeah, it might be. XCH, I don't know what XCH is. UBT, don't know what that is. What do you do next? You hold, but you take profits, but not yet. Because look at Google Trends. Retail investors are still not awake. So go to Google Trends and look up Bitcoin on Google Trends often. I would say look it up every day. Bitcoin crossed its all-time high and nobody cares. People aren't really going to care until we cross $100,000. So which crypto will give the highest X? Something I've never heard of. Would Ocean Protocol 10X? I don't know where Ocean Protocol is in market cap. So I don't know. What would you do with 1K short term? I put it in Litecoin. What do you think about the idea of people giving you money to trade for them and you get to keep 25, 30% profit or something like that? NoobTube, there are so many people who are better than me at trading. It's like I would feel awful if I lost you money. You know, and I keep 20, 35% of the profit, but I lost you. I just, CVO crypto weatherman, it's one of those things. It's just, I'm not the man for trading. Prediction for Cardano, $8. Lattice, I don't have a prediction. Sorry. Litecoin, $1,500. Serum, I don't know. What do you think of new coin push? Not paying attention to it. All right, you bought 200 Litecoin at 176. Where's Litecoin at right now? 206.95. Excellent. VXV $100. BZRX, I don't know. Is BAT dead? XCH is Chia Coin. Okay, that's really interesting to me. The way that you make money, proof of storage. I have not looked into the price. I just don't know. So for those of you on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thoughts on HTR? Don't know enough about HTR. Bitcoin, 250K till the end of the year. 250K is possible. Yeah, it is. Been here since there was viewers on live and now more than 100. How many viewers on YouTube right now? 415 on TikTok. Whoa. Yeah, over 100. Oh my goodness. Is BAT dead? BAT might be dead. The Brave browser is not going to pick up. It's just not going to pick up. So, all right, Mr. Belly Shelley 2021, you're a beginner. Just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and then do as much research. Go to coinmarketcap.com, read the descriptions of every of the top 100 cryptos, and you'll get at least some kind of a foundation. But for now, just stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thoughts on Rune, Thorchain? I mean, they've been hacked 3 times. I just don't want to mess around with that. So, all right. Thank you, Tata. XLM and Litecoin prediction, $2, $2 to $3 for XLM. Litecoin for $1,500. Yeah, CVO Crypto. I was a bit shocked. CVO Crypto says he thinks Bitcoin is going to $2 million next bull run. Do I invest $1,000 in ETH or Bitcoin? I'd say ETH. So that blows my mind. I mean, I was thinking more like $1 million, but more like $500,000 to $1 million. When DCA out, would you put in USD coin or to be ready for bear market? Yeah, I'd put it in USD coin, get some staking rewards for that. Yeah. HTR, I don't know enough. Ocean Protocol has a 500 million market cap, so could it 10x? They'll put it at 5 billion. I think the total crypto market cap's going to 10 trillion. Yeah, it's possible. Did you mention Hex? I have not mentioned Hex. I just don't know. Is Hex a scam? I still don't know. $500 cake or uni? Why not uni? Or sorry, why not cake? Get some staking. Heroes and Empires. Yeah, man. Gaming. Do it. Download the app. Play some games. Oh my goodness, my hiccups. Excuse me. You're welcome, Mandola. 5K short-term Litecoin or HBAR? I'd say Litecoin. All right. I missed the days when we only had 20 viewers on YouTube. Yeah. Sorry, Etono. It is what it is, HTR, nothing. Where to stake Ethereum? I would just hold it on like Celsius or Nexo or something like that. Something that's going to get you the best returns. Been here since 8 viewers. That's what I was supposed to say. There we go. CVO projects Ocean Protocol $12 to $20. Wow. Current market cap 535, price 87. CVO is more of a bull than I am, and I hope he's right. Please let CVO crypto be right. Rev, I don't know enough about Rev. HBAR to $2, that's what I think so. Yes, $8 to $10 for XRP. VeChain to 50 cents. Phantom will be a top 20 crypto soon. We'll see. Predictions on Harmony One higher. I don't have any predictions though. Yes, I think FTM will go higher, just like everything else. Price prediction for Polkadot this bull run, $200. What coins do I own? I own 30 different cryptos, so I don't know what to say about that. When do you think will be time to buy again during the bear market? June of 2022? No, after that, at least a year after everything peaks. Thank you, Smooth September. Why is AMP so slow? Everything's slow right now. Every altcoin is slow in general. So is it still too late to buy Bitcoin, ETH, and Litecoin now for the short term? No, it's not. It's not. Solana price prediction, $600. Will you exit Litecoin after 2x? No. What I'll do is Shifty7, viewer number 1. Okay. What I will do is maybe at a 3x from my initial investment, I'll take some out. But then I'll hold on to the rest. So, all right, just mention it. Aave and Comp. Aave, 4 figures. I don't have a price prediction. Comp, I don't know enough. XRP top, $10 possible. Yeah, it's possible. Hey, Trey Anderson, been here since Burrito. That's an OG right there. Dot's not slow at all. I didn't say Dot. Yeah, okay, I see what you're saying, Angel. Yeah, I mean, some aren't slow, but I mean, the altcoins are slow in comparison to what's coming. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Did I miss the boat on Litecoin? No, I mean, I think Litecoin's going to go much higher. What do you like about Litecoin? I'm looking at the charts. That's what I like about Litecoin. And honestly, man, fundamentals don't matter nearly as much right now. Cryptos will pump because they pump, and you're going to call it a bubble, and I tend to agree, but they will pump. AVAX can go to $300. Yeah, I think so. It's possible. When will VET pump? November. All right, Adriana, new to investing. Do you mind explaining what you mean by calls? Explain where to buy it, please. So that's options trading. I would not recommend it to people who are new to investing. But there are videos you can watch on YouTube. There's this one video that's like 3 hours long. You don't have to watch the whole thing. If you look up options trading, it's probably the first one that will come up. This bald guy, white guy with glasses. Theta still to $50. Yes. When do you think Doge will start moving up? November. Solana, $6. ADA, $8. Yep, I'm staying at Comic. Your advice is allowing me to not work. Nice. Nice. All right, referral code ALE749 for Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. Why Litecoin? Is it not dead with no upgrades? Litecoin has never been hacked. It is digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. There's 4 times the amount of Litecoin in existence as Bitcoin. They have halvings, all that stuff. It's not dead. It's never going to die. So I am confident about 3 cryptos that are never going to die: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Other ones, I have some level of confidence, but not as much confidence with those 3. XRP prediction, end of January, $8 to $10 sometime in January. Engine price prediction, I don't have one. I'm sorry, Keith. When do we move from wallet to a vault? I'm not going to do that, Kendra. I know that's scandalous, but VGX, what are your thoughts on their coin? I love the Voyager platform, so VGX should pump, but I don't know. VeChain 50 is only 4x from here. Stop hurting my feelings. VeChain to $1. It might go to $1. Are you starting a Patreon or course during the bear market? I am not. I have a Patreon. I'm going to shut it down. I'm just not providing the value to my patrons. So I'm shutting down my Patreon, but I am going to launch a bear market buying guide course. It's going to be a one-time fee of $27. I'm going to be done. Yeah, thank you, Curious 1980. I'm going to be, what am I thinking? Oh, I'll finish that course sometime in November, probably end of November. Floor for Bitcoin and bear, the 200-week simple moving average, whatever that gets up to. How high can we get for Solana? I'm saying $600. When are you going to sell Litecoin? Sometime in January, probably. ICP, I'm not a fan of ICP, but it will pump with everything else. I've watched that options trading video probably twice. Still don't think I fully understand. Oh man, then don't do options trading. Thoughts on Mana Future higher and gaming NFTs makes a ton of sense. HBAR only 4x. HBAR is not as volatile as other cryptos. So Jasmy is the cheapest coin on Coinbase. Thoughts? It's probably going to 10x at least, but it's going to be very quick and you're not going to be able to time it well. So win or vet, any thoughts? Win has much more upward potential. Vet has more long-term potential. So Adam, $100. Crow and Amp, 50 cents for both. When to sell Bitcoin? How about 20 years from now? ADA prediction, $8. Will Polkadot hit $300? It may be. I'm thinking more like $200. Will you be buying Litecoin in the bear market? No. No, that's funny. I'll take a look at the charts. I just see an opportunity. I see a great opportunity with Litecoin right now. I'll look at the charts and maybe I will. HBAR coming to Coinbase. I don't know. I haven't looked into that. So Ether in January, $15,000. Do you like Saitama? I don't know anything about Saitama. Oh man, thank you all for your time. This is not easy. Litecoin is more of a wave riding investment. There we go, Crypto Hustler. Good to see you, man. Litecoin high prediction, $15,000. BTCM market manipulators are getting real. Okay. Best stablecoin to keep on Coinbase, USD coin. But I mean, man, I don't know. Don't keep it on Coinbase. You can't get very good returns. Thank you, Monster. XRP is trash. Lawsuit is going to not be solved until after the bull market. Sell all your XRP and buy MTV. I'm just reading Itano's comment. Follow me on TikTok. Those of you watching on TikTok, you've got to follow me. We go to 72K, no resistance. I could see that. Would it be smart to day trade Litecoin or XRP or just hold? I mean, for now, I'd say just hold. Harmony One, don't know anything about, or don't know enough about Harmony One. Do you think ETH will put its highest daily close date? No. I thought ETH's, daily close 4,200. I still don't think so. No. Price for Solana, $600. Thank you, Sambo. Much love to you, man. You mentioned you're selling 65%. Does that include Bitcoin? My hope is that it doesn't include Bitcoin. Litecoin's a beast today. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. Not sure. Let's see. Litecoin. Yeah, still 206. FTM Coinbase listing soon. That'll be bullish. XRP is and will be in the top 5 forever. I might agree with you on that. Would it be smart to day trade? Oh, I answered that. FET, don't know enough. Yeah, David B, thank you. Yeah, hit some likes in here. Smash up that like button on YouTube. Would appreciate it. BTCM prediction. Yeah, BTCM. Oh my goodness, it's at $10. I've been very disappointed in that. Maybe 30, maybe 20. I don't know. Solana end of year, January, $600. BAT, I don't know. So will you disclose when you think Litecoin tops? Yeah, I will. I'll disclose when I think everything tops. DOT will be over $200 soon. I hope so. I've got 1K. What's the best to invest in? Litecoin and Ethereum. What will 5X Litecoin? Sir, yes. Oh, sir. Okay. BAT. I don't know, but it'll go higher, but I would not hold BAT long-term. I think I don't believe in the Brave browser. So $20 BTCM December 17 calls, hopefully. Yeah, we'll see. You'll see. Thank you, Sassy Fuss. Quant's a beast. Quant does what Quant does. It'll go higher. CVO Crypto thinks that Quant's going to 10x at least. I'm like, dude, that's crazy, but we'll see. Looking at any NFTs? No, not right now. I'm from the UK. Can I purchase your program? Yeah, you'll be able to, Jay. ETH to 19K NFTs on Coinbase is going to be big in my opinion. You might be right, Roshan. I haven't looked into it. What do you think will 10 to 20x? Maybe Holochain, maybe Wink. Look at the small caps. Bottom under 100. I think a lot of those will 10 to 20x. There's so many coins now. How do we know when we're in alt season? It goes in cycles. Top 5 buys right now. Man, I don't know. Litecoin to $800 end of the year. I could see it going a little higher than that. Do I like Shiba? No, I don't. Top 5 buys right now. Man, microcaps. I mean, if you're looking at gain, short-term gain, I just wouldn't recommend it. So having to work out crypto taxes in the UK is such a ball ache. I could see that. Yeah. Proton, don't know enough. All right, stacking Litecoin and Polkadot. There we go, Cam Machete. ADA price prediction, $8. Will you be telling us when to sell in the bull run? Yes. Hey, Grumpy Jen. Thank you. All right, having to work out. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Sully? Bobby, thank you. You should have 10x viewers and subscribers. I agree. Guys, on TikTok, I'm so close, man. I'm so close to 100K. I would love it. Please help me get to 100,000 followers on TikTok. I'm at 96,000. Do you think the potential Evergrande default could slow roll this pump up? No, I've never been worried about Evergrande. Thank you, Grumpy Jen. Will you accept crypto payment for the bear market buying guide? If there's a way to accept crypto payment, I will. There's a website that I'm doing it through, and I don't know. What makes me an expert? I don't know. I've been in investments for a while. I was an econ major in college. I have done lots of things in the financial industry, but maybe I'm not an expert. Maybe you just shouldn't listen to me, even though I have been right about pretty much everything over the last 3 months. So don't listen to me. Mana prediction, if any, I don't have one. I'm sorry, Smoke Sun. Will Bitcoin 2x or 3x and how soon? I understand the psychology of money. I think so, yeah. I think Bitcoin is going to 2x in 30 to 40 days from its previous all-time high of $64,900. I'm going to buy puts when the market tops out with my altcoin earnings. Yes, I'm going to buy puts. Yep. Thank you, Resilinhad. Stormex prediction higher, but I don't have one. Where to put Litecoin gains? Put it in stable coins. Stake it at 9% returns, maybe even 20% returns in the bear market. So, let's see. Quant higher, 4 figures, just higher. I don't know. Sushi, I don't have a price prediction. BITO prediction, that's at 40 something right now. I mean, it's just going to go up with Bitcoin. So maybe it's go to 120, 130, 140, something like that. Do you sleep during this run? I will be putting very little sleep. I just want to give you all a warning right now. A warning for all of you. With my business, November and December are the busiest months of the year. I make about 65% of my income, of my annual income in November and December. So I am going to I am going to like work and work and work and then sleep for 6 hours a night and then just continue to work all day. And my content is going to be down. My content, my ability to churn out content is going to decrease, and it stinks because that's going to be the peak of the bull run. So $60 BITO December calls, I think you'll be do well. Thank you, Grumpy Jen, again. This guy is diamond. Thank you. Should I sell Doge and buy Bitcoin? Not right now. You know, Doge will pump and Bitcoin is pumping. I would say, should you sell anything and buy Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin has been pumping. It's up $25,000 in 3 weeks. Thank you, Crypto Chemist. My business is a grocery distribution business. Oh my goodness, where was I? Oh yeah, so it's pumped $25,000 in 3 weeks. I would expect alts to outperform Bitcoin even more now than before. So Solana or AVAX biggest mover? Oh man, AVAX. Thoughts on Bitcoin miners? It's good to buy calls on that. Roshan, yeah, don't listen to this guy unless you want to get rich. You've been warned. There we go. Why Litecoin if their all-time high is only 2x from here? Because Litecoin, no, just watch my pinned video on TikTok. H-bar, how many X? 4. All good. Thank you, Smoke Sun. I only have 1K. Should I try Litecoin or be safe with ETH and Bitcoin? I mean, in general, I'm going to say to be safe, but I think Litecoin's going to do well. Thank you, Grumpy Jen. It's true. You've been right so far. We all invest at our own risk, but I will feel confident with your advice. Thank you. Why do you still have a job? I'm self-employed. I run a business. I'm semi-retired. I work 15 hours a week on my business. And, but in November and December, I'm going to have to, work more on that. And if you're asking why I have a job, because I want multiple streams of income. So too late to get into Litecoin? No. Solana or Litecoin? Short term it's Litecoin. Long term, it's no doubt it's Solana. Don't leave us. Yeah. Will I still go live? I'll try. I'm going to try, but yeah, I'm going to have to at least tweet. Yeah. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter, and help me get to 100,000 followers on TikTok. Please, please, pretty please. Saw you on the live with Blockchain Boy yesterday. Where'd you see your name in the comments? Yeah, there we go. Pool party. Thank you, Grumpy Jen. You're going to have to at least tweet. Yeah, follow CVO Crypto when you're busy. Yes, when I'm busy, you got to follow CVO Crypto. Please do a live with Will Clemente. Will Clemente is a much bigger deal than I am, even though he's only 19 years old. So did you give AVAX prediction like 200 to 300? Maybe people have learned from past and won't FOMO like crazy, especially due to economic prediction conditions. Maybe. I mean, that's why there's a possibility of more of a rounded top. Matic prediction, $8. Do you think investing in a mining facility is worth it in the bear market? Yeah. Yeah, in the bear market, yep. My anxiety level goes way up with your content going down in November. Sorry, man. Where would you stake $1,000 other than ETH and Bitcoin? Stake? Cake? Stake? I mean, do you mean buy? Thank you, Isaac, for subbing. All right, the Punjabi community. Thank you for sharing that with the Punjabi community. I love the Punjabi community. So how would you get chewing gum out of your hair? I don't know, peanut butter, ice cream. I'm just joking. I have no idea. What should I dump 1K into? Litecoin, Ethereum. What's a good buy right now? Litecoin, Ethereum. Trying to spend 5K. What's the move? Litecoin and Ethereum. XYO 20 cents. STX prediction. I don't have one. Algo 7. Okay, November, December. How will you tell us when you're selling so we can copy you? I'll still be making content. I'm just going to be working twice as hard. So crypto temptation. I have a way to help you with some of that weight gain. Haha, yes. All right, 30K to invest, man. All right, 30K, you're going to have to spread it out more. 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. Buy some Litecoin, Solana, Chainlink Quant, Theta, Makermatic, Luna, Doge, Cardano, XRP, Binance, Cake, Dash. I don't know enough about Dash. You think ADA will be all-time high again? Yes. Yeah. Sell my SHIB for AVAX. Thank you, Crypto Temptation. I think AVAX is going to outperform SHIB on the way up. That's all I'll say. He's an expert because he's always right. Most guys ain't got a clue. There we go. Been following you for a year and a half. I've been 90% right. I'll take 90% right. Yeah. Thank you. Peanut butter is actually the move. Okay. Do you follow Tech Dev? Tech Dev is the man. Tech Dev's the man. Yes, I follow Tech Dev. Do you think there's a pullback to Bitcoin on 63K? And follow Tech Dev on Twitter. You can follow him there. 63K maybe. I have not taken any profits. No, Crypto Temptation. Yeah, you should be all in by this stage. I agree. Where was I? What was I asking? Dead cat bounce, guys. Dead cat bounce at 20K. AXS, good entry point. Where do you think it'll go? Man, AXS has pumped so much. I just don't know. I don't know, man. But, you know, it hasn't pumped like crazy lately, so maybe it'll pump even more later on. But Axi's not going anywhere. Yeah, 127 right now. So, oh yeah, so I haven't taken any profits yet. I said I was going to when Bitcoin crossed its all-time high. I'm just not. I'm not going to. Nervos, don't know enough. StormX to 5 to 10x. Higher. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty low cap from what I understand. So lossless, stay away for the short term on lossless. It's already pumped like a ton. So I invested a couple grand on DAG and Cody. Don't know enough about either of those. AXS has 115% APY on Binance. Oh my goodness. Crypto Whale deleted his Twitter. I've got to check that out. That's hilarious. All right, Crypto Whale Twitter. This guy is the biggest tool in the universe. So that would be wonderful if Crypto Whale deleted his Twitter. What would Dave Ramsey say? Dave Ramsey, yes, Crypto Whale deleted his Twitter. Dave Ramsey would say to have nothing to do with crypto. So what has 126 on Binance? Apparently Axie Infinity has very high staking on Binance. So please, dot prediction $200. Is it still worth holding? I think it's worth holding. Please help me get to $100,000 on TikTok. $100,000, 100,000 followers. Will you take profit into a stable coin or cash when it's time? Stable coin. Definitely want to be staking my stable coins. Sell my Doge for Shiba. It's like sell my trash for other trash. What did Crypto Whale do? He deleted his Twitter apparently. Hallelujah. Just make sure to be here when it tell us, yeah, bear market coming. Yeah, I'll tell you where to buy XRP. You can buy it on Uphold. I'm a super rookie, learning a lot every time I'm here. Excellent. A lot of rumors saying FTM will be listed on Coinbase soon. That's great. Yes. Pastors Milko. Hey, Pastors Milko, man. Yeah. You've made a killing. There's somebody who's killed it, man. Pastors Milko, you're wealthier than I am. I mean, not that I'm all that wealthy. Thank you, Ruben Ojeda. Really appreciate that super chat. Copy coffee cup form right now for ETH? Maybe cup and handle. You mean? You think Robinhood will actually list Shiba? Maybe Robinhood one day will list a ton of cryptocurrencies. So will Anchor go beyond previous all-time high? Yeah, I think so. Any thoughts on putting 50% of Bitcoin and ETH into a vault? Kendra, that's the safest thing you can do. Yeah. I like VXV. Yeah. Is Bitcoin still going to go up? Bitcoin is going to double its price from its previous all-time high within the next 30 to 40 days. So yes. What times do I go on live? It's way too sporadic. I don't have specific times. I try to go live every day. Best place to stake stable coins: Anchor, Celsius, Nexo. Luna, $100. Did you say 100 or 200 for DOT? I said 200. Why is that a good thing that Crypto Whale deleted his Twitter? He's a scammer. No, he's just, nobody likes him, but he's a prick. I'm not going to go into that. He shorted the Bitcoin market at $9,000 last year. That's why he deleted. He should, it's a good thing that he deleted his Twitter, and he's been a bear ever since. So, thoughts on taking out loans against crypto holdings instead of selling and taking profit? That's the way to go. Yeah, his followers lost a lot of money. He's lost all of his credibility. He should be done. Crypto Whale. And so what would be better, 40K on Bitcoin or ETH? I would say Ethereum for the next decade. For the next for the rest of your life, I'd say Bitcoin. Do you think we're going to have a 30% pullback in November? If we go up to $100,000, which I think we will, then yes. I think we'll have maybe like 25%. But that's not going to be the end. Is it time to sell ETH? No. Let's see. 1inch. 1inch has partnered with Binance. Very bullish on 1inch. I don't have any price predictions or for StormX or for Nervous Networks. Elrond, very bullish on Elrond, but no. I missed why don't you like ICP? I don't like ICP. I don't like the team. I don't like what they did. All right. They enforced vesting schedules on people who got their ICP airdrop to them a couple of years ago so that they couldn't sell. And then they dumped all their ICP. They rug pulled really hard. That's just shady, man. Thoughts on Polkadot and Cosmos long-term targets? I mean, this cycle, $200 for Polkadot, $100 for Cosmos, but long-term, they're both going to exist. I like them both. How big do you expect the pullbacks to be on the way up to the top of the cycle? Like 25%. So where can I buy XRP? You can buy it on Uphold. Have you updated your top coins since Bitcoin breakout? Top 3 alts now. I mean, for short term, it's Litecoin, it's Polkadot. Maybe not Polkadot since Polkadot has pumped a ton. I mean, Solana is a top 3 altcoin for me. HBAR, I like HBAR. But for short term, I don't like HBAR. It's just one of those things. Do you think we're going to have a pullback in November? I think there will be a pullback. It'll be V-shaped, and then we're going to pump higher than that. Is this altcoin increase just because of Bitcoin going up in a real pump still end of the year? Yeah, I think since Bitcoin crossed its all-time high, some people are taking profits from Bitcoin and putting it into altcoins, but I think still altcoins are in general going to be somewhat flat until the middle of November. So why do you think do you think we're going to have answered that. Why do you think all the large caps will be better than Chainlink? I'm confused or misunderstood. Chainlink, I think is going to $100. I think other things will just outperform on the way up. But I love Chainlink long term. Stellar, XLM, $2 to $3. Still bullish short term on Litecoin, yes. Will AMP move? Yes. I think it's going to 50 cents or $1. If BIT doubles again off my entry, then I'll definitely sell half a bit at ETH. Sounds good. Where can we see Ethereum going? 15,000. Best platform for options. I'm doing options on Robinhood. So Tron, I'm not a fan of Tron, but it'll go higher. Same for ICP. 13K by January ETH. Somebody listens to CVO Crypto, and that's a good thing because he says 13K. Ethereum is the only thing that CVO is less bullish on than I am. Everything else, he's more bullish than I am. So, oh man, I'm pretty wiped out. I am going to be done for now. I might be going live on YouTube with the Crypto Keeper and the Blockchain Crusader on the Crypto Keeper's channel. I think I'm going to be going live with him later this afternoon. So I'll tweet that. So follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I think that's the plan, is to go live with them sometime soon. I will not be live. I'll be live on their channel. I might go live on TikTok when I go live on YouTube with those guys, but you're going to have to turn into their YouTube channel, not to their, not, you know, it's going to be a better viewing experience on their YouTube channel. So yeah, Lossless does have potential. That's great. So thank you all. Follow me on TikTok. For those of you who don't follow me on TikTok, okay, thank you, Double RO. You can buy XRP on Uphold. Thank you all. Much love to you all. Help me get to 100,000 followers on TikTok, please, please. I love you. Goodbye.